I'm moving my studio space today, out with the old, in with the new. The focus of the space is function, which starts with this beast of a table. It's the heart of the space where all the gathering and creating will take place. The goal is to keep this big, beautiful workspace clear. We all know how easy it is for horizontal surfaces to get cluttered up. Now I have room to keep the table space clear of everything except exactly what I'm working on. I can easily clear it so that I can have someone join me to create, which you're going to get to see more of in some upcoming videos. Next, we need some heavy lifting storage, and this is a heavy lifter. I started by adding paper and things that I use the most first, and then I started to add my other little accents and things that are just fun to look through every time I design. Again, my focus is function, so these are mostly arranged by how I use them, and I use containers that I already had, keeping it as pleasing to the eye as possible, with everything accessible and visible so I don't forget what I have. Do you have so much stuff you forget what you have sometimes, or is that just me? If you've watched my other organization videos, you know I organize in zones. So this giant green cabinet counts as a zone 2 for me. My paint shelf also counts as a zone 2, along with this little box of essentials that lives on my table. Zone 2 is where you keep things accessible and easy to grab, but they don't clutter up your workspace. I'll link that playlist for you below. My favorite part of my new location is this space directly across from it. I do my planning, video editing, and sometimes I sit and sketch. It's nice to have a place to sit and relax every now and then because I do most of my creating standing up. I also have this wonderful bird and kitty viewing area. There he is, my muse. Now to deal with the aftermath of the move in my zone 3. I have just a little more space upstairs here and a little bit more here where I can move a few more things up. So that's it, my beautiful new space. I'm loving it. It's working out great. I just need to hang a little art up on the wall and bring a few more things up. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more. In case you're wondering, Marty's been marked safe after the move in his new office space with this view.